Hello learners, welcome to Abby Talks English. I'm Abby and today you are starting something special. I know what it feels like when you understand English but can't express your thoughts. You try to speak but your mind freezes. Your tongue stops and you feel shy or nervous. I meet so many students from China, from Vietnam, from India, from other countries who feel same way like you. If you ever felt scared, embarrassed, insecure about your English, so this video is for you. Because today you are not just learning English, you are starting your transformation. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. I may be an English teacher who truly believes that English is not just a language, it's a bridge. A bridge connects the people, countries, and dreams. I've taught English learners from many different cultures. So I have seen one powerful truth. Anyone can speak English confidently if they learn it the right way, with patience, fun, and practice. That's why I created 100 Days English program. Before we learn words or grammar, I want to fix something very important, your mindset. You see, most of people wait until they're perfect before they speak. But let me tell you the truth, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave enough to start. Remember, when you make mistakes, you are not failing, you are learning. Every single mistake you make brings one step closer to fluency. So, from now on, stop saying my English is bad. Instead of saying this, you can say my English is improving every day. So come on, you say it with me right now. I'm learning, I'm improving. Now let's speak together. This is your first English practice with me. So relax, smile, and repeat after me. Greetings like hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Introducing yourself, my name is Abby. I'm from India and I love learning English. Here is a secret for you. If you want to speak English confidently, you must start thinking in English. So, here is your simple daily habit. When you wake up, describe what you do in English. For example, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm making tea, I'm checking my phone. Even small sentences like these train your brain to think faster in English. It doesn't matter if no one's around, talk to yourself. Remember, your mind is your best. Your mind is your best classroom. Before we end day one, I want to tell you something from my heart. When I started teaching, I met a student who said, maybe I don't think I can ever speak English. But I watched them practice, make mistakes, laugh, and keep going. And today, they speak English beautifully. That's the magic of consistency. So don't give up on yourself. Believe that you can do this because you can. You've already taken most important step. You've started. And I'm here to walk this journey with you every single day. In the next video, I will teach you how to think in English naturally so you can speak English faster, smoother, and confidently anywhere. This is Abby Talks English, helping you to speak with heart, not fear. Don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite lines, and subscribe because your English journey has just begun.